Hello, friends. Thank you for joining me today. My name's Gillian. If your mind won't turn off, then I designed this bedtime yoga flow to help you sleep. It's going to be super chill to help calm your nervous system. We'll start out on our backs. And relax with your arms along your sides. Take a deep breath here. You can close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Bring your right knee into your chest. Maybe rock side to side. Continue to breathe deeply. Switch legs. Extend your right leg. Bring your left leg in. Maybe sway side to side. Hug your right knee in. Take a deep breath here. You can wrap your arms around your knees. And release this. Stretch out long. Stretching your arms overhead, your legs out long. Inhale as you stretch out a little bit more. And exhale, release. Plant your left foot on the mat for reclined figure 4. Crossing your right foot over your left quad. Bringing your left leg in. Feel that stretch along your glute. And release this, switching sides. Plant your right foot, cross your left foot over your right quad. Bring your right leg in. Remembering to breathe. And release. Planting both feet onto the mat, windshield wiper, your knees side to side. And drop your knees to the left for supine spinal twist. You can look over your right hand. If this hurts your neck, just look up at the ceiling. Switch sides. Drop your knees to the right. Look over your left hand. Bring your knees up for happy baby pose. Hug your knees in, grab onto the bottoms of your feet. Pull your knees in towards your armpits. Take a deep breath here. Inhale and exhale. Release this for final Savasana. We'll be here for about a minute, but stay as long as you can. Feel yourself get heavy. Close your eyes. Start to wake yourself up. Wiggle out your toes, wiggle out your fingers. Roll onto your sides. And sit up. Bring your hands to your heart. Thank you for joining me this evening. Namaste.